Distribution session ended. Now hoping on making the feature work properly and launching it hopefully now. We had a development meeting with Dimitar. You can see the whiteboard is full of features. We have set it up, the bugs that we need to fix, then enhancements we have to do from dev side like AI tests, fallbacks. Then the product side, we have added some enhancements of the product, like which model we are using, what is the onboarding, what enhancement in the prompts. And after that we have scored them. We have scored all of them, all of the enhancements, all of the dev enhancements, all of the product enhancements, and all of the fixes. And we have chosen actually 3 of them that I'm going to. So if you hop on next, as you can see here, my screen is so dirty. We started posting like 9 days ago, and currently 14k impressions. And if we hop on the Framer website, you can see from April 2023 that we decided to do are chapters update, fixed transcript, book shorts, one book that we have, and update the formatting of the shorts. The reason and the way we are ranking them is 10 is the importance. The first 10 is the importance of the problem, and the second 10 is how fast we can fix it. So after that we combine the 2 numbers, and the problems that are with the highest combined score are the ones that we're going to prioritize and are our A+ problems. And also here we haven't added the new features. We decided to first make sure these things are working, and later on focus on adding more new features, except the thumbnail generator and the meet videos that we are launching soon. I will keep you updated. Here is Dimitar. How are you, Dimitar?
Great.
Super. What are you building today?
Still thumbnails.
How has been the progress with this feature?
Up and down.
We're going to
testing.
I'm going to put the thumbnail right here so you can see some thumbnail generated from Dimitar. Yeah, this is for today. We're going to hop now on coding session and then give a update on the progress. We just got featured as a third product of the day on Solo Push. Thank you. Also, an idea that came right now to my mind is that I can just write down what is my process of a given task and how should I approach it in different ways, and experiment also with that. I should run also experiments with the way I'm working, the way the way I'm approaching stuff. So maybe this should also help me, like making sure I'm writing down and finding different paths of doing a thing. Yesterday actually was a cool one, because we posted one short of Origins in podcast, which is one podcast of 2 really cool people, Alec and Sonit, and a lot of people saw it. Also we got replies, and not replies but likes from one of the people was the founder of ODF. He also followed me. The other one was from the person that created the cheating system for software interviews, and later on was kicked from Colombia. He has 80k followers. Just a quick check-in about what I got done today. Focused a lot on distribution, posted a lot of posts on Reddit about the product, about what are the problems we're currently facing, not directly promoting Fluent Frame, but just talking about my story and what we're currently building. Also some posts, also set up an outreach. I'm just going to stop the camera because it will be so dark, so you won't see anything. back here. So the next thing I realized is that we also need to do some sales, direct sales, sending cold emails, because this is the thing that has worked since then, since starting the company. Like, doing that has brought some new customers from outside Bulgaria, so we shouldn't stop doing it. For this reason, I was just having the mental barrier that it takes a lot of time and I shouldn't do it, because like content I can get one silver bullet and make sure that we have a lot of customers and everything is good. But actually, when something is working, why stop doing it? Why don't continue doing it? Even if we get 2%, like I was able to get from 80 messages, let's say 7 to 10 meetings, which is really good conversion. And like, we converted a couple of people, I think 2 of them converted into paying customers just by sending messages 1 week. So if I do this every single week, we're getting every single week 2 people to start using Fluent Frame, and actually other meetings where we're talking with people and getting new information, we're going to be way ahead. Let's say if this compounds and we start sending more messages, we can improve this, make sure that the customers are, if the customers are loving the product they will tell their friends, the other podcasters, which will lead to more customers. So it will compound, and like in 3-4 months we can be at 300 customers, which is better than 40, the current thing that we have. So I should also spend more time on distribution and don't neglect sales. Like, sales is also important in order for us to make sure we're getting new customers from a channel that is actually working for us. And I have decided to automate it, because like, I'm not sending so personalized messages. I'm just sending messages that are, again, with the name of the podcast, with the name of the person, and are just asking for feedback and information, and they're not so salesy. So I don't need to do them manually. Like, the thing I'm doing is just checking if the company is if the person is doing the podcast, what is the podcast name, and adding it in a sheet. I can automate this. Like, why don't a software like HeyRich or something different can do this? It can. So for this reason, I realized that I can do it automatic without the need to do it manually. There are so many softwares, why do it manually? I have been reading a lot. People say do every single message personalized and so on, but if this is working and the thing I'm doing is not like personalizing it for each person, why don't double down on that but automate it, and there will be zero difference between me doing it and another person doing it. So yeah, that's one of the things. We're focusing on direct sales and continuing the content, posting these vlogs. This is not one of the content that we're actually the core marketing strategy that I'm doing it for. It's just in order to share my story and the things I'm facing with Dimitar and Georgi as problems in Fluent Frame. So I really appreciate Dimitar telling me this. Why do you stop doing direct sales? And I was like, I was starting to say different things. Let's say, it doesn't work, it takes a lot of my time, but actually it doesn't. I just didn't want to do it because it is manual work and I'm not feeling like I'm doing something productive. But it works, so I should double down on that. Yeah, this is from distribution point of view. And that's it for today. That's one of the things I was focused on. Also working on the new website, dropping it today. We just improved so that the website is more with more information related to the problem, the solution, the features that we have, shows the value, and the design is better. The site is really cool. You can check it out in fluentframe.com. So yeah, that's the thing for today. New website, distribution channels, spend a lot of time on distribution, ready text, posting videos again on X, and posting different product alternatives. So that's it for today, and yeah, see you tomorrow.